Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and today, oh man, it's kind of exciting because we're gonna be going ahead and checking out my first OnePlus phone. So this is gonna be the OnePlus Nord, the highly anticipated phone that literally everybody was talking about. But OnePlus actually sent this to me because I actually won in that OnePlus Nord Beta Program, which I'll talk about more in a minute. But we about to go and unbox this thing and get my first impressions, and we're about to go ahead and compare a little bit to my Google Pixel 4a. Alright, so, woo, I'm actually hyped for this one. Work with me here. But if you want to go and skip this part about how I went through this whole OnePlus Nord Beta program and what it is and all the other stuff, I'll make it quick here. But you can go ahead and click the timestamps in the description, or if you go ahead and scroll through this video, you'll also see some sections in this video, so just use that. So let me go and give y'all this rundown of the OnePlus Nord Beta program and how this all went down. So what this is basically you would just go ahead and sign up for this program where you could potentially get an opportunity to review the OnePlus Nord, and you really only need to do it on their forums. You only need to review it on their forums, but I did a YouTube video on it because, well, I'm a tech YouTuber, so that's what I do, like, why not? I'll go and leave a link in the description, but pretty much they actually end up having over 10,000 people sign up for that beta program, and they only accepted 50 people to go ahead and review this OnePlus Nord in. I happen to be one of them. Like, when I signed up for this, I had no intention of winning, but apparently I did, so that's dope. Major shout out to OnePlus for actually sending this out to me. I really appreciate it. But one catch of that is that they actually said that not everybody will be able to keep their Nords. Like, you have to go ahead and give them an honest review and everything. And like, yeah, just basically not everybody gets it. So hopefully I get to keep mine. But I know there's been a lot of demand for me to review a OnePlus device on my channel. And now here I am reviewing my first OnePlus device, and I'm, well, really unboxing it right now. And we're about to go and do a quick comparison with this Pixel 4a here that actually comes out in 3 days now. It's the 17th and it comes out on the 20th. But I didn't think I won at first because, well, basically there was a couple of days late with going ahead and sending out this email to me because, well, there were so many people they didn't expect it. So yeah, that's basically how that went down. But if you want to go and pick this up, again, I'll leave the links in the description. It's going to run you 400 bucks, and with this Pixel 4a, that's going to run you 350 bucks. So we got to see what the better value is. But honestly, I don't even know what to expect up inside this box because, well, like, I haven't watched any OnePlus Nord videos because, like, I want to go ahead and give this a first, like, real pure first impressions. The only video I really watched was that MKBHD one where the CEO first showed it off in his video, so we're gonna have to go and see about that. They don't tell you the color that you're gonna get, they don't tell you what's inside the box or nothing, so let's just go and get up into this. Just looking around this real quick though, we have this red accent here, you know, typical OnePlus stuff. We got the OnePlus logo and OnePlus.com, and then you just got this Chinese text everywhere because they don't sell this in the US. I live in the US, but they were only accepting US and Canada applicants, and they also said that if they find enough demand in the US, then they'll go ahead and sell it out here, but right now they're not doing that. So if you want to get a Nord, you're gonna have to go ahead and import it. But let's just go ahead and bust up into this real quick and let's see what we got going on here with our OnePlus Nord. And well, yes, so that's pretty much what we get so far. We got a OnePlus logo, and then yeah, let's just go ahead and open this up real quick. There we go. Here is my OnePlus Nord. Not sure why there's 2 slots here, as if they forgot something, but yeah, so this is our OnePlus Nord here in this black box. We got the Nord branding here with the OnePlus logo. On the right side, we got OnePlus. On the back, we just got some info here like Android and all that other stuff. And on the left side, we have OnePlus Nord, top nothing, bottom nothing. But if we actually go and take a look at the back of this box real quick, you can see here that we have the OnePlus Nord and 256 gigs, and we got the blue marble color. So yes. Let's go. That's the color I actually wanted, so that's dope. All right, you know what we got to do. Let's go and crack into this box. So going ahead and cutting that real quick and just taking off this plastic here at the top. Let's go ahead and do this. Woo! Let's do this, man. Oh, I'm excited. All right, let's go ahead and get this up out the box. We got this way Nord, and then like I said, we got that blue color, which is hitting, man. We can see here that we have the in-display fingerprint scanner, and let's just go ahead and take this off real quick. Woo, man, that blue marble is hitting, man. I'm feeling that. But yeah, just looking at the back here, we have our OnePlus logo. We got OnePlus with some text at the bottom. We have our 4 cameras, and then we also got a flash. I'll have to go ahead and find out more information if this is glass or plastic, but on the front here, we have our hole punch here. We actually got a pre-installed screen protector on here, so that's dope. I don't have to scratch my Nord. We have a little bit of a chin here at the bottom, and at the top we have our earpiece, and well, yes. So this kind of looking like a Galaxy S10 Plus. Not gonna lie if it was over here. So you can see here with my S10 S10 Plus here on the left and my OnePlus Nord on the right. Yeah, they look pretty much exactly the same with these hole punches here. And yeah, I shattered my S10 Plus, man. Yeah, I already know. It still works, but it's shattered. It's done. Like, I gotta get me a new one or something. Anyways, the weight is pretty good on this. I'm really feeling that. And it's actually pretty slim, so it feel good in the hands. Ladies, you know the procedures, as Flossie Carter would say. But yeah, we got our 6.4-inch AMOLED screen here with a 90 Hz refresh rate, so that's gonna be dope. So on the right side here, we actually got our power button and we actually got our volume sliders. So I know a lot of OnePlus fans really like that because it's like a 3-stage one, so we're gonna go ahead and check that out. And on the left side, we have our volume rockers. At the bottom, we have our, looks like, well, okay, that's interesting. We got our SIM and SD card tray here at the bottom. I'm assuming it's a SIM and SD card tray, but it's at the bottom, so that's interesting. And then we also have a microphone, we have a USB-C port, and then we have a speaker here. And at the top, we have another microphone. So let's go and keep looking in this box here. So we have a lot of packaging here, so let's go ahead and pull this out real quick and see if we got anything interesting. So not really, let's go and throw that to the side. But quick edit here, actually want to go and show you this welcome letter. That's actually pretty dope. I'm feeling that. So they got this whole message here about the whole process of the OnePlus Nord and like how the specs like don't really matter and just things like that. They talk about how they rethink what goes into their phones, and then they also got the team here like the CEO of OnePlus, as you can see here. So yeah, that's dope. All right, OnePlus, I see y'all. That I feel that. Going ahead and taking this out here, and oh yeah, I was just waiting for that. So we do have a case here. I really feel that. So thank you, OnePlus, for actually throwing the case inside the box. And then here, let's go and see what we got. So usual books and stuff. Let's go ahead and throw that. Wait, hold on. Not the usual books. Actually, we got some OnePlus Nord stickers here. So we're gonna go ahead and troll somebody with that. And then we get our usual books, so let's go through that to the side. And then we got a SIM and SD card ejector tool. So looking more in the box, okay, OnePlus. So I actually see here we got our fast charger here, but it's actually American, so I did not expect that. I already have my adapter on it ready for those European ones, so I mean, that's cool. And then we got our signature red OnePlus cable here. So you already know OnePlus, they just rock with this whole red theme here. I'm feeling it, I guess. Even in this USB port here. So we do have USB-A to USB-C. It's actually red inside of here, so that's interesting. And then that's pretty much it for the box. So, all right, so where is our Nord at? Let's go ahead and do this thing. Let's go ahead and turn this on. And let's go ahead and see if we got any juice. There we go. We got like a really subtle vibration, and we got the OnePlus logo powered by Android. And oh man, so like y'all get it. Like the hype is there, y'all. The hype is there for me to go ahead and use this phone. But yeah, this is gonna be our boot animation here for our OnePlus Nord, and there we go. So it looks like this is actually dual SIM here with NFC, and then we're about to go ahead and see what that 90 Hz look like. So already, oh yeah, that looks nice. Now let me go and set this thing up on my Wi-Fi, log in and do all that stuff, and then I'll get back to y'all. And all right, so bang, we already done. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's hit start. And there we go. We are into our OnePlus Nord. So we got Never Settle here, of course, with OnePlus. And yeah, so like I'm loving the feel of this phone, man. So first impressions though, like with the vibration motor, yeah, that vibration motor is nice, man. But correct me if I'm wrong, but I actually think that this is a glass screen protector. So if it is, yeah, y'all killing it with that, huh? But yeah, you can see here that we have our in-display fingerprint scanner, which works no problem. And then we also have our volume slider here, as you can see. So that's nice. I hear a lot of YouTubers say that more companies should copy this, and well, maybe that's true. I think, yeah, that's true. But yeah, just scrolling around this real quick, my first impressions with the screen, yeah, it feels nice with that 90 Hertz. It doesn't go to 120 or anything, but I'm cool with the 190. I really don't need 90 hertz in the first place, but yeah, so actually let's go ahead and talk about some stuff first. So basically, here's the deal with having a OnePlus in the US. This is gonna be a European model here, so they're not gonna have all the bands supported. So if you need to go ahead and see if your carrier support this band and like what features you get and everything, go and look at this, and then you'll go ahead and, well, just go and decide off of that. But I'm about to go and throw my T-Mobile SIM card in here and see if we get 5G. But let's go and put this up against the Pixel 4a real quick, and yeah, see, that's my problem right there. That's what I don't really like about the 4a, is like how small it is. But still, they're not really that far off, so like you have a 90 hertz screen here and a 60 hertz screen here, which ain't really a big deal to me because like I said, I don't really need 90 hertz and all that crazy smoothness on my screen because I just get used to it anyways. But you have a $350 phone here, and then you got a $400 phone here. So we're about to go and do some comparisons in another video and see which one's better. But so far, I'm really liking this OnePlus Nord better right now, man. Not gonna lie to y'all. But what do y'all think about the OnePlus Nord? Let me know in the comments below because I will be doing some Fortnite gameplays and that type of stuff with this phone. But let me go and grab my T-Mobile SIM card out of my fold real quick and let's throw it in the Nord. Alright, so I got the SIM card. Let's go and throw in this OnePlus Nord here. And my SIM card is in here now. As you can see here, I have T-Mobile, and I'm actually in my basement right now, so I don't think I'm getting really any service down here. So let's go upstairs. All right, so there we go. After I went ahead and restarted this phone, I actually got 5G signal, as you can see here. So now let's go and download speedtest.net, and we're about to actually go ahead and step outside real quick. Let's go and do that. All right, so I guess it's gonna test the outdoor brightness. It looks pretty good out here, but as you can see here, we do have T-Mobile 5G just out here in my backyard. And all right, let's do this. Let's see what kind of speeds we get on here with 5G. So let's go ahead and see here. Yeah, kind of disappointing, but 5G ain't really been the fastest out here. Even though at the same time I used my S20 Ultra like earlier this year, and I think I pulled like 50 down, so I don't know what's up with that. And last up here, we're about to go ahead and test these cameras on here. So we know Google as the camera king, OnePlus, yeah, not really so much, but we about to go and see in this test here to see who pulls out the better pictures. So we got the OnePlus Nord here for $400, which relies on its 4 cameras, and then we have the Google Pixel 4a here, which really relies on its software. So we have to go and see about that. Alright, so this is going to be the video on the OnePlus Nord, 4K at 30 FPS. And then it's going to be your video quality on your Pixel 4a with 4K at 30. So let me know, which one do you think looks better? Now the weird thing that I noticed with this is that this got 4K at 60, but the back camera don't? What? What's up with that? But I mean, the camera itself, it looked pretty good. So with the Pixel, you get 1080p at 30 with the front-facing camera. So that's pretty much it. But again, the camera don't look bad. I might be giving it to the OnePlus Nord right now. And yeah, so that's gonna be pretty much it for my unboxing and first look with the OnePlus Nord and kind of a comparison to the Pixel 4a. So let me know in the comments, what did y'all think about this? This was interesting, but I'm glad that I finally got my hands on my own OnePlus Nord. Like, it's been way too long, but we're finally here now. Hopefully I can keep this, and hopefully like maybe OnePlus Nord will put me in a commercial, and hopefully OnePlus will actually reach out to me and we could like collaborate on future devices like a OnePlus 9 maybe, or just whatever comes out in the future. But I'm about to go and get out of here, y'all. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like, and if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media, Eddie Sentech, on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. But would you pick up a OnePlus Nord? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's actually go and try a call real quick. All right, that works, no problem. So cool. It's not ending though. What's up with that? Bro, this thing will not end. I literally don't know what this thing is on right now. All right, y'all. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out. Thanks again to OnePlus for actually sending this out to me, and stay tuned for more content on this. And actually, stay tuned for more content with both of these. So yeah, cool. Peace out.